Hi guys, welcome to another video by Antiques Arena. My name is Walter O'Neill, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean silver. Now I've already done a video showing you how to clean silver using chemicals and soda crystals and hot water. I'll put the link to that video in the description, so if anybody wants to see how to do that, then just click and watch the video in the description. However, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean an antique solid silver vase. Obviously, not everything can be dipped in the chemicals and the hot water because you don't want to damage plastic handles, ivory, things like that. So then the next alternative I use is this, which is Goddard's silver foam and pad. It's a very soft pad, sponge and a little paste. You put the paste on, rub it on, polish and wash it off. Here's the ISBN number should anybody want that to place the order. I'm not sure if that come clear. ISBN is 71099-07085. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the vase, how dirty it is. You can see how dirty that is, hopefully. It's stinking dirty, especially on the inner rim here, and I'm going to give it a clean. Now the good thing about this Goddard's foam is it doesn't rub away the hallmarks. Some of the wire wadding and that you can use can really wear away the hallmarks in no time at all. So it's a simple process, so hope you enjoy. Okay, so I've got a bowl here of plain soapy water. Got my Goddard silver foam and I've got my vase. So for starters, just get my vase wet. As simple as that. Put a bit of foam onto your sponge. That's what it looks like. If anybody can see it, it's not the best color brightness here, so bear with me, and then simply just rub it on. Doesn't take too long. I'm going to stay to that now straight away. We're just pulling the dirt straight out of it. Oops. This foam isn't expensive, it's about £6 a tub, something like that. It does go a long way, but when you've got a lot of silver to do like myself, you go through quite a few of them. It really doesn't take that long, guys. You'll see now. Hell of a difference in a few minutes worth of work. As you can see, I'm not putting no extra pressure on. Not going crazy. You know, there's no scrubbing involved. I think that'll just about do it. Make sure you rinse it all off because you don't want to go in white thick paste on your silver. And don't forget, this is just soapy water, guys, nothing else. No chemicals, just plain soapy water. And where do I put them? Here. Now for drying, I use a simple cheap kitchen towel or towel. It makes no odds to me either way if it's a soft towel. But I do like these kitchen towels because sometimes you can mark a towel with some of the stuff that comes off. Quick little buff and hey presto. Beautiful, shiny, solid silver vase, all the crap gone. Happy days. I'll spend a little bit longer now, just dry buff it. And that then is ready to go in the showcase, up for sale, looking £1 million. Now, I have people text me all the time, should I clean silver or should I leave it with patina? Silver, antique silver is the one thing you do clean, in my opinion. Copper is questionable. Some people clean it, some don't. Some like original patina on copper and on brass. Coins you don't clean at all. But silver and silver plates, people like it clean and shiny. And there we have it, guys. That is one beautifully clean, solid silver vase that is shining. So that now with my cabinet up for sale. It'll be weighed, put up for sale. Happy days. And if you don't sell, you'll have to clean it again in about 3 or 4 weeks. Because you'd be surprised how quick they oxidize in the air. Anyway, guys. It's as simple as that, but remember, if anybody wants the easier way, if it gets much easier than that, of just dunking your pieces in hot boiling water with some chemicals, then that description for the video, or the link for that video will be in the description. So, I hope you enjoyed, guys. If you did, I would appreciate a like and a share. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, leave a comment, let me know you've subscribed, I'll give you a thumbs up. You'll find me on Facebook, I have a page in the group Antiques Arena. You'll find me on eBay, Antiques Arena Clearance. I have my own website, antiquesarena.co.uk and antiquesarena.com, or you can come to visit me in the shop. It's Antiques Arena, 78 Oxford Street, Mountain Ash, Charlie Foxtrot, 45-3, Hotel Bravo. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.